Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford, President and CEO of Catalysis Additive Tooling.
And I'm Rick Shibko, the Director of Business Development at Catalysis Additive Tooling. At Catalysis, we utilize 3D printing technologies to manufacture tooling to make mass production level parts. And we're able to do that and accomplish the goal of reduced time and cost for our tooling when compared to conventional manufactured tooling. A project we've been working on, which is related to manufacturing of a foam, has applications to both automotive and appliance manufacturing. With this tool, which we call the FX Metal Foam Tool, we can provide both prototype to high volume foam parts.
Because of NDAs with our customers, we can't show you some of the foam tooling we developed. What we can show you is Catalysis FX Metal Tool that we developed for a similar process that's used in foam part manufacturing when you consider temperatures and pressures. The Catalysis FX Metal Tool is an additively manufactured aluminum tool.
The benefits of the Catalysis FX Metal Tool are, for one, manufacturing time. We can deliver to the customer a functional tool in 1 to 2 weeks. Cost, the cost of our FX Metal Tool is 50% less than a traditional manufactured tool. And quality. We can produce parts off an FX Metal Tool at a high level of quality, which is the same as a traditionally manufactured tool.
So here's our sample part that we formed with that tool, and obviously you can use this for seat foam, appliance, refrigerators, things like that, a lot of manufacturing operations.
If you'd like to learn more about the Catalysis FX tool, please contact us. We'd love to hear from you and discuss more about the opportunities and capabilities of our FX Metal Tool.